Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys, depending on whichever time of the day that y'all are going to come across this video, guys. I'm very happy. I'm beyond happy. I'm ecstatic. I love seeing this. I do not want to lie to you. Yeah, man. Shuti Ama Metro FM Awards. They took place at Indao, like. They took place. We are also going to do a video where we are going to be talking about, we're doing something that is different, eh? We're going to be talking about ama outfits la bewagqokile. Nina kanti niqoka kanjani? Kanti lento eniyenzayo? Kodwa sizokhuluma. But either way, let's get into this.
Aybo! Got my attitude. Yes, Alanka. Yes, the attitude to Swaziland. Yo.
Bafethu, i-out yami uScott my attitude. Yeah. I'm happy. Bafethu, I wrote this down kule device. I'm very happy. Yes, this is so I don't know how is this or kanjani. And the akusizona into zabantu bafethu because abanye abantu bazothi no into zabantu bamloyile. Yazi bafethu kokunye niyasukela. Yasasukela ngathi sisuke sematshalweni ngalezo nkathi ensukwini isi-accuse ngazo ukuthi thina siyanloya. Yo, are returning kahari. This guy shoot him. Oh, this is wrong. First it was the Cotton Fest thing. Now this. Noma ningathi lama awards rate noma anjanja kodwa kusalayo not even allegedly because I got this information from Ama Metro Awards. Ngena ku page ku website yakhona. Guys, ngiceda kuvuka. What the F? So, ku best amapiano song. Yes, this was wrong. Ebe nominated by two. Two of his songs were in that category. So, this guy, if amaculo akhe awu-2 ebela kule category, then there was also other 3 songs of other artists. Meaning ukuthi yena ama chances akhe ebe more or ebe greater than our banye, because now it's like it's better to have more than one than to have one song in a category. Futhi lapho ke khona amaculo 5 awakhayi 2 already uyayitshela ukuthi hayi la ngiphuma naye mo kitlotsa liona man ona ithole ubasi kwelanga. I think iyo lo ngoma leyo mina ngizazi kahle le ngoma amagama khona. Then ku song of the year there were 10 songs. Guess how many songs that song our Scott have been nominated? Yebo lapo Birimaru I wish aga 3 songs akhe akatholanga lutho. Yes, have been nominated yeah. You know, but amakhathi ithethe selimpopo nje sikhuluma ilebo elibuka home sikhuluma nje akathula next. Okay, ku best collaboration bekhona Yebo, iBhiri and Wish. Yabona here bafethu we really did this guy wrong. Futhi angeke ngithi we because mina vele mina ngivote shem angafota ukuvote. Bafethu really did this guy wrong. La there were only 5 songs ku best collaboration. 5 songs. And uScott was in 3 of the songs that he was in. Ebe like 5. Yes, you can only imagine ukuthi yazi already kokunye uyaba uthuma ubona such when you start seeing such a list you end up being like, yo, we are not walking away with anything here. I'm not going to get anything. This guy is already nominated 3 times. God, you do not know God. Yes, you do not know God. The same God that took Scott Mapuma and put him there is the same God that is uplifting who? You. The same one who did not think that you're going to walk away with this. Yawena. I remember this thing kind of reminds me of there was a time when another guy whose name is also Usabelo, he was getting married and all of that. When I could not, I ended up not going to the wedding because there were other things. Zazing Babile, I just could not go to his wedding. When it was for the best, good, I did not go to the wedding because, funny enough, the suit that I wore was similar to his, but it looked more nicer, Kim. And eyami futhi it had a touch of those ababona ithombe zami zase-Erne akekho la, because everyone I know akekho la. No one knows about the YouTube channel ukuthi yiphi, which YouTube channel am I owning akekho. Just to off topic, wena eyami be wrong kakhulu, and on top of that my name is also like his, and bengiyovele ngithathe yonke ishine from yena, you understand? So kokunye this what it came to me was, yazi, it's very important to pray whenever you're going to be doing izinto like imshado or even such things, ama awards and all of that, because uNkulunkulu will shine through for you. uNkulunkulu uzokhanda into ezohindarisha that person from outshining you or anything like that. It was not, the aim was not to outshine him, but unfortunately mawo ezinye izinto bafethu, there's just nothing you can do, you understand? If kukuthi wena vele ugqoka kahle, ugqoka kahle, ayikho into esingayenza bafethu. I understand a lot. I don't like giving myself my flowers, but yeah. So yeah, same thing applies with this. I'm sure everything is alleged on this video. Let me just put that also out there. There are artists who are like, we're not going to walk away with this. This guy was nominated 3 times or has 3 songs in one category, and gule category, it's out of 5 songs are only in that category. Bukan manje. Yazi uNkulunkulu very powerful. Very powerful. And uScott yamazi uNkulunkulu very powerful. Umazi kahle. Beriko kai. Oh, kuwine ubani ubasi. I hope I'm pronouncing this name kahle. Kwelanga. And then go best viral challenge. How many songs there? The 5. The 5 songs. Guess how many songs Scott had there? 3. Ipiri, iwishi, yebo, umuntu uwinile kwelanga. Yazi kwelanga. Bese kuthi ku best music video lapho ke shem uopore bam nominate Kaiwan kwi Berimaro. Kwawina ubasi. Ngimbonile uScott posted, I do not know if this was him. I'm not even going to put this picture here. If that account was his, then yeah. But either way, kona la poste khona ukuthi we are praying for it downfall. Like as pray elthini downfall yakhe. Thina siprayela ukuthi sikhona ukukunikeza ispace as enough kuze nawe uzofika ungeke ufile ngathi ispace yakho siba violated. Yabo ku wrong lokho ukuthi as umuntu uyacela ukuthi abantu abakunikeze ispace and then they do not give you that. It's not fair. You understand? Nama, I wouldn't like that. I wouldn't. So the fact ukuthi manje we are giving you a space, I'm happy because now the product yes space leso busicelele usuyayibona uyabona umvuzo wakhona. I even saw another tweet where another ex-user was like, Utos was the one who came and saved this guy Go Cotton Fest, but if Utos dares to try this again, he's also going to be cancelled, because we do not want anything that's going to be interfering with us giving Utos this guy his space. We still sasa kwi mission naye. uScott aqale vele alungise CV. If isikoleni azange aqede aqala abuyele esikoleni no Abet ukhona noma enroll for my end courses. It's not late. It's not. Ngiyazi ukuthi at the end of all of this uzo end up esengekho right, eseneyinkinga zengqondo, sekubhlungu kanjanjani. You must first prepare yourself manje. I don't feel sorry for him, Shem. Nalapho yes, it will be sad and all of that, but I will not feel sorry for him because he is the one who dug this grave and he is still digging this grave and whatever the case might be. You understand? Yeah. uScott my attitude. Mina ngimthanda nje Shem lo body, yazi ngimthanda enje. Angazi mina ucabanga ukuthi ubani. You're not uBeyonce. You are not uBeyonce. And even if ubu Beyonce la South Africa, yo uBeyonce sizokuthi ke ungali. But now about the baby nabo ngali. Baba cancele. And I saw someone else also speaking about indaba angisho le, I think too. But either way, yeah man, guys, let's keep on doing the Lord's work, and not only food now, it's not even the Lord's work. We are doing Scott my attitude's work, because the guy ube nesicelo isicelo sakhe ngiyajabula ukuthi sizwakele. We heard his sicelo, his request, his begging. Ngizwile, sizwile sonke bafethu. I love seeing what I'm saying. Ngicela nje siqhubeke nje zikhale. May it carry on to be calling and calling and calling up until kuze be back label. Khilela bona. Yo, nina ngenzela ilaka lami. Sure guys.